Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on the Royal Match application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons, but if you want to enable the notifications or disable, just go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the available notifications or settings function. Now if you want to turn off or turn on the notifications, go to the notifications button and just click to the blue icon. New, actually I turn off the notifications, but if you click that you can turn on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.